How to tie a Centauri knot? At first, you should put the line through the hook, thus forming a loop around the standing line. Fix this loop with your thumb and forefinger to hold it in its place. Then, do the same to make another loop around the standing line. Hold it as well. After that, do the same to make one more loop, and make sure you hold all three of them firmly. Next, put the tag through all the loops to form the knot. The fishing line end should be pulled very gently. Finally, move the knot down the hook eye. Cut the end close to the knot. The Centauri knot is ready. Please subscribe and like.
Fin Fishing TV.